Thanks, Bam. It's Baj here, coming to you live from Scrap Metal Corners. I love it here, you love it here. We all love Scrap Metal Corners. This is my scrap metal pile, my new one. Look at the angulation on that. Our bar rack. Yeah. Give you a tour here. Got our aluminums right here, yeah. On the bottom rack. Friggin' all this goody, yeah. Aluminums. Oh, and look what's in here. This, you know what the name of this is? The name is Copper Box, cause we put all the copper in the box. Yeah. Yeah. Check this out. Lawn Boy. Yeah. Maybe we'll get a big jump happening. Choo-choo. Oh, my bike collection. My bike collection. The pop cans. Yeah. Yeah. We'll send it back to you, Bam. Oh, what's that? The wildlife. Oh, no, it's a pop can. Friggin' needs that. My aluminums. Frig sakes. Back to you, Bam.